Going to change oil and oil filter of Swift car. Its model is 2012. Using 45 flower type bit for removing its drain nut. First I am removing drain nut. This is Swift car's drain nut. Lift the vehicle by using jacky. After that, remove its drain nut by rotating anti-clockwise. Please wait minimum 30 minutes for drain oil completely. This is the condition of our old oil. It is drain nut. It have a wash. Please carefully check it without wash. It may be chance to make oil leaking. After some time, fix back oil drain nut. Next, opening bonnet. This is 26 bit for using removing oil filter. Every vehicle's oil filter is very tight, so only use suitable bit, otherwise it may be chance to thread slipping. It is our old oil filter. It is completely damaged. It is oil filter cap. It have a wash. Removing it for fixing new one. It is new oil filter and wash. Fix the new wash into the oil filter cap. This is our new oil filter. Inside of this we can see a spring. Just cleaning both parts. After that, fix back the spring. Next I am placing my new oil filter. Just press for fix it correctly. After that, fix back oil filter cap and tight it. Next I am opening oil filling cap for filling new oil. Next, cut a bottle like this for filling oil easily. It is 3.5 liter engine oil. Filling it slowly, otherwise it may be chance to flowing oil outside. Fixing back its cap. It is very simple. You can do this. Thank you guys for watching.